What do you think? Huh? Yes? Oh, baby, I don't know how to open the back.
But the cameraman know how to open it.
Yeah, the driver man will know how, but we don't know. We have to find which man is the driver for this FJ Cruiser. Oh, here comes some more. Here comes some more. Oh.
Look at them. Help me.
Whoa. Go look at them.
More.
Come true.
Time our cars.
I know. Yeah.
Remember when the people at your apartment place that took the Toyota back or something?
They took one half cab. They took my CAM off yeah. They took my logo.
That's good. You kept it looking good, man.
She's so pretty in her yellow in her dress.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I saw her Facebook.
Yeah.
Look at it. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, I love how excited he is. He's telling me his day.
So cute. I love it. Oh my God.
It's like being in Disneyland.
Disneyland for little boys, right?
What?
Disneyland for little boys.
Exactly. Isn't this a Disneyland for little boys? Are you excited?
That's the one I've been putting over.
Which one, the white one?
The white
That's
one?
nice.
Yeah.